Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Cochin Orchids. Today's video is about growing the keikis. In today's video, I'll be discussing two methods of growing the keikis. One is in charcoal, coconut husk chips mix, and the other one is in coconut husk itself. One has to grow healthy orchids like this to get a fantastic bloom, and such plants also produce lot of keikis at times. Here you can see one of my plants producing 4 keikis in one plant. One can help them grow by putting some media on the base of these plants. These are tiny Dendrobium plants which usually develop as keikis from the old dead stem. The development of such keikis is a blessing in disguise as we get a number of plants free of cost. The medium is already rotten and the plant started dying. So a new shoot has developed from the bottom and a keiki has developed from the top. The medium has already died. We get 2 plants from this. Can separate these keikis by simply taking it out. This coconut husk was previously kept in water for about a week and all the salt and phenolic compounds are removed. It was later crushed with a hammer so that free air movement is ensured. So this keiki can be placed inside this coconut husk like this and just turn it over, make it a perfect round, and then place it on this small 1-inch pot. I am using a slightly longer coconut husk. Later on, when replanting, this long coconut husk is helpful. I am using a non-perforated pot which has got lot of holes on the bottom. I am using this pot because it can hold the moisture for a longer period of time. So in order to plant, I am just placing the plant inside this, and as a medium I am using charcoal. And then a few pieces of coconut husk chips. Tap it well. Add goat manure. This is very good. Tap it again. Add little more charcoal. Add little more small charcoal powder I would say. This ensures stability for the medium. That is enough. So press nicely so that everything is fixed well. Add little more husk chips. Please note that the plant is kept on the side of the pot so that and the growing point is towards the other side. The plant can grow this much distance without any hindrance. So there is lot of space for the plant for the future growth of the plant. The plant must be very sturdy after repotting. Then only it feels that it is ready to grow. Now the plant will grow very nicely, and in 6 months it is likely to produce the flowers. Another method for growing the keikis is using the perforated pot. So you have to take a sufficiently large crushed piece of coconut husk. 1 or 2 pieces may be required, and see that, ensure that the size is okay. Now you can place the plant inside the coconut husk like this. Hold it tightly. If there are any roots, just turn it around and keep it there, and then bring it down and it's done.